Hello, so today we will speak about the basic emotions of human being, and we will base this study on the big five domains and on the big five aspects. And what is at stake here is understanding oneself better and understanding one's reaction by understanding the most basic emotion one has. So where do emotions come from? And to study the emotions, we will study the emotions from the most basic strata of evolution in us, that is the reptile brain. And emotions are linked to survival, and they help us move towards what enable us to survive. So in a strategy of survival, we have two kinds of events which can represent a reward and which will help us survive and grow, and events and things which are a threat or a punishment and which will make us die or be harmed or be hurt. So emotions are what set us in motion, and so it is a basis for certain behavior. So what are the two basic systems of all living beings? It is the system of extraversion and the system of neuroticism. So before agreeableness, before conscientiousness, and before openness, there are these two aspects of personalities which are common to all living beings, and we are no exception to this. So as for extraversion is the domain linked with dopamine, which make us search for things because of the rewards we can get from them. So dopamine is responsible for joy, and so enthusiasm and joy and positive emotions are linked to extraversion. So the first of the five basic emotions is joy on the mental aspect, and we could even say pleasure on the physical aspect. Then comes neuroticism, and neuroticism is divided in two aspects, which are withdrawal, and which are not only withdrawal, but also volatility. So one can be high in volatility by low in withdrawal, and low in volatility and high in withdrawal. So what is withdrawal? Withdrawal has two emotions to it. It is sadness, and it is anxiety or anguish. And volatility has two basic emotions, fear and anger. So this makes four basic emotions in neuroticism. So what is the link which reward or punishment? Withdrawal is linked to a potential punishment. So when you sense that the environment is threatening and that there might be punishment, then you will feel anxiety. And once you are aware that there is no escape from a punishment, then you will feel sadness. Now, as for volatility, it is not a potential threat, but it is a direct threat and a direct potential punishment. So in this case, there are two strategies: either flee, which is the emotion of fear, and or attack, which is the emotion of anger. So to sum up and to analyze oneself, we have five basic emotions. One is linked to extraversion and especially enthusiasm, it is linked with dopamine, and it is the emotion of joy which corresponds to positive emotions and cheerfulness and is linked with sociability. And there are 4 negative emotions at the basic level: sadness or depression and anxiety, which are linked with withdrawal, and also anger and fear, which are linked with volatility and a direct threat, and are linked with the neurotransmitter of serotonin. So that's all for today. Thank you.